Ready to revolutionize your industry with cutting-edge VR? Oodles turns your boldest ideas into immersive realities, catapulting your business ahead of the competition. With our VR development services, access a comprehensive virtual ecosystem. From custom app development in Unity and Unreal to 3D modeling, multi-platform deployment, AI-powered interactions, and secure cloud integration, we tailor VR services to your needs. Step into hyper-realistic virtual environments. We use advanced GPU rendering, global illumination, and physics-based materials for unparalleled visual fidelity. Is performance bottlenecking your VR ambitions? Our experts use dynamic LOD, frustum culling, and GPU-accelerated physics for high frame rates in complex environments. Break geographical barriers with next-gen collaborative VR. We enable real-time, low-latency interactions in shared environments. Accelerate time to market without compromising quality. Our DevOps pipeline, including automated VR testing, delivers robust, secure, and compliant solutions. Have a look at some of Oodles' groundbreaking VR projects. Third Eye app, built to transform spaces into interactive digital experiences using AR, VR, and the metaverse, revolutionizing audience engagement. Metalance, a metaverse marketplace app for trading virtual assets, NFTs, and digital creations with seamless transactions and robust security. Oodles crafts custom VR solutions to fit your industry's needs, driving measurable results and a competitive edge. Partner with us to turn your VR vision into reality.